Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to migrate your notes from Evernote to Joplin. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Evernote app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see your main dashboard with all your note organization tools. In the left sidebar, locate and click on Notebooks. This will display all your available notebooks, giving you a complete overview of how your notes are organized within Evernote. Now, you'll see all your notebook lists displayed on your screen. From this list, click on your preferred notebook that contains the notes you want to migrate to Joplin. This allows you to be selective about which content you're transferring, so you're not moving everything at once if you don't need to. Next, open the specific notes you want to migrate from that notebook. Once you have your notes open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen, where you'll see three dotted lines representing the menu options. Click on these three dots, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Export. This is the crucial step that packages your notes into a format that Joplin can understand and import. In the export settings that appear, make sure you have selected the ENX format, which should show as .enx. This is Evernote's native export format, and it's specifically designed to preserve your note structure, formatting, and attachments. This format ensures that when you import into Joplin, your notes will maintain their original organization and content. Once you've confirmed the ENX format is selected, look to the bottom right of the window and click Export. This will open a file browser where you can choose where to save your exported notes. In the left panel of this file browser, select the folder where you want to save your exported notebook file. Choose a location that's easy to remember, as you'll need to access this file in just a moment. After selecting your destination folder, click Save. Give it a few seconds to complete the export process, especially if you're exporting a large notebook with many notes. Now it's time to switch over to your Joplin app. In the upper left corner of the Joplin interface, click on File to open the File menu. From the drop-down options that appear, select Import. This will bring up a submenu with various import format options. From the submenu, click on ENX-Evernote Export File as Markdown. This tells Joplin exactly what type of file you're importing and how to convert it properly. Joplin will convert your Evernote notes into Markdown format, which is its native format for storing and displaying notes. A file browser window will now open. Navigate to the folder where you saved your exported Evernote file earlier. Once you've located your file in that folder, click on it to select it, then click Open. Joplin will now begin processing and importing your notes, converting them from the ENX format into its Markdown structure. After the import completes, your migrated notes will appear in the left panel of your Joplin interface, maintaining the same structure they had in Evernote. And that's it. You've successfully migrated your notes from Evernote to Joplin. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.